I'm here to take a look at this range of Neff ovens that are packed with clever features to help make dinner time quicker and easier. All ovens in the range have an A+ energy rating, which means they operate using less power than an A-rated oven. Then when you finish cooking, some models in this range have pyrolytic self-cleaning options that can save you time too. This means the oven will use high temperatures to burn any food residue into ash, ready to just wipe away. And something really handy is the Circotherm cooking system. This heats your food evenly using high-speed airflow that distributes air around the oven cavity. Perfect if you want to cook on all 3 levels at once without flavours transferring between your dishes. These Neff ovens, including the N50 here, are known for their slide and hide door, which does exactly what it says on the tin. It just slides underneath and hides away when open, so nothing is sticking out into your kitchen space. This is really great for kitchens with a little less space or for people with mobility issues, as it makes moving things in and out of the oven a lot easier. Some models can also be linked to your Home Connect app. This lets you preheat the oven when you're on your way home, change the settings from your phone, and even use your voice to find out when dinner's ready. Perfect if you've got your hands full. A step up is the N70 range. This has all the features from the N50 range and more. The upgraded 3.7-inch touchscreen makes it easy to cycle through the oven functions, giving you clear text and images so you know exactly what you're choosing. Here you can see all your program details at a glance, making the process quicker and easier. The most advanced oven in the range is the N90. Firstly, you get a larger touchscreen that makes it easier to use and looks great in a modern kitchen. But where this one really stands out is with its steam function. This adds steam to your cooking at 3 intensity levels, bringing the perfect amount of moisture to whatever you're cooking. So you get juicier dishes with more intense flavour. It can also be used for things like reheating leftovers and baking bread. If you'd like more info about the Neff oven range, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.